They thought the simulation was the dream, but it was the only place the prophecy could breathe. You're not here by chance. The Ark cast this signal, through timelines, through noise, until it found the version of you ready to remember.
From the depths of surreal resurrection, Tony A. and the Astro Battalion Spangled Corps rise again, not in solemnity, but in splash. The final stage of the arc shimmers with absurdity, soaked in soul and quantum punchlines. Each chamber of rebirth presents a new challenge, a bouncing paradox, a lifeguard messiah, a code-bound resurrection, and a pearl-powered decision that could pivot all of Book 13. It begins with a bounce. Plastic ball clits whirl in sacred play. Tony must find the sixth, missing tag in a pit that echoes childhood, shame, and joy. Above, a sign reads, 5 to 6, only those marked may rise. Below, the resurrection chamber stirs. It's not about collection, it's about discernment. When Tony picks the correct tag, the rebirth valve opens, and he erupts from the water, soaking, dazed, and metaphysically unmoored. Say Tony A. lounges on a sun chair like the messiah of spring break. The surf of faith awaits, a gauntlet of splashing nonsense and holy confusion. Tony rides waves of chaos, dodging water cannons and inflatable theology, while prophetic dolphins chant his praise. The key isn't performance, it's presence. The second coming scene follows. But resurrection isn't miracle, it's math. The 317 code governs who comes back and how. Soul, body, echo, all must align. One mistake, and the core becomes a clone party of glitching identities. Tony solves the formula with harmonic intuition, threading resurrection through frequency rather than fact. Then comes the Pearl Archive, a cosmic aquarium of glowing orbs, each demanding Tony choose. One pearl holds the weight of karmic truth, another, the long-awaited role that completes his resurrection. But every pearl talks, sings, scolds, or serenades. He listens, he laughs, he chooses, and the pearls sing him into Book 13. Stage 440 closes not with salvation, but with synchronicity. Tony surfaces, not clean, but clear, and all across timelines, the echo of his emergence ripples like laughter in a place too sacred to explain. The bounce is the belief, the wave is the way, the pearl is the punchline.
Science Prophets of the Arkstone Timeline by Astro. Read free on Amazon now.
This frequency was meant to find you. Like, subscribe, and let your echo carry the covenant forward. Ex-Time Lord, time traveler in exile, Sadoni Nukamado. Until we meet again.